So this is my new Samsung Z Flip 5. This is my first Z Flip 5 or Samsung Flip. My previous Samsung phone was the S21 Ultra, so for me this is a new experience. I've never had one of these before. So I got the latest one because they had it on offer, and it's literally just come out yesterday anyway. But yeah, this is it. I've got a case on, the official Samsung black leather case, and this case cost around £70. I got it from Amazon for about 50. It was a discounted, so yeah, I'd probably recommend going on Amazon if you want one of these cases, but I definitely do recommend it. It is beautiful. It's very premium, very good quality. So yeah, now the main difference on this Flip 5 and the previous flip phone, the Flip 4, is the screen. The Flip 4 has a half a screen, and this one has a full screen at the front. And for the front screen, I've actually got a screen protector on, which you don't get with the phone, so you have to buy that separate. So you probably can't tell, but there is a screen protector on there. So yeah, and you can see obviously it's got the two cameras here as well. And then you've got the speakers and the microphone, and then obviously the case comes with these two buttons to put the volume up and down. Then you got your lock button there. So yeah, it's a very premium case and a beautiful phone and a beautiful case. So let's open it up. And that's the default screensaver that you get with it. You can obviously change it. Now, the fingerprint sensor is on the side on this phone rather than on the front on the screen. They've put it on the side, so that's why it's unlocked for me, because I've got my fingers set to unlock the phone. And the operating system is basically the same as previous Samsung phones. You know, if you've got a whatever Samsung phone you've got, S21 Ultra, the Flip, whatever, they're all the same interface, just like iPhones have the same operating system. So all of this is very familiar if you've got a Samsung phone already. Not much difference here. All your apps, your widgets and things like that. So the biggest difference on this phone obviously is the front screen. So you can do a lot of things with this front screen. So if you just double tap it, you'll see a funky little screensaver. That's actually a customized screensaver that I've edited myself. I downloaded this screensaver, and it's a game called Persona 5. You know, it's an anime and a video game. So it's a moving wallpaper. It's pretty cool, based on this anime. So yeah, that's the wallpaper, and then you can obviously switch to camera mode by simply just sliding it, and then you switch from camera mode to photo and then video, and if you just double tap it, it'll take a picture. Yeah, so on, and obviously you can view your galleries. If you want to go back, just press the back button. Now we're back on the main menu, so if you want to scroll to the right, it shows you down here how many options you got, and obviously you can edit all these in the settings, how many widgets you show. So this is one of the widgets, it's the calendar. Scroll right, and then you can see the weather widget. So you know, if you want to just quickly, rather than opening your phone, you've got this option of just checking out the widgets. If you want to see all your missed calls, you can view them here. And then you've got this other widget where it shows your top 6 people you might want to call. So this is like a just quick shortcut. I've got Sahara there, which is a takeaway that's local. You know, I just want to ring the takeaway. There you go. So so yeah, what else we got? We got alarms. So if you can edit your alarm, you know, I've got 6 alarms because you know I need a lot of alarms ringing me because I struggle getting up. You got your stopwatch widget, and then you got your timers. Now you don't need to have this many. I'm just showing you all these for the purpose of this video. Personally, I probably wouldn't use a lot of these, but I'm just showing you what you can have maximum. So this one's to do with your, you know, health, fitness, steps, all that stuff. You want to calculate how many steps you've taken. If you got a Samsung watch, that is. So yeah, obviously that's to do with your fitness again. This one here is for your Samsung, what they're called, you know, the devices, like smart devices, such as like washing machines and Wi-Fi's and lights, that sort of stuff. So you can control all of that from here. That's to do with like finance, if people follow like stock and, you know, all that stuff. I'm not really into, so probably won't have that one. And these are just like little games that you can play. It's good for the little, you know, nieces and nephews if they come round. You want to give them something to play on. So I'll just put a game on. It's not really something I would personally play, but you know, kids might like it. So this one here, you just oh, that's not very good, is it? Let's give it another go. So gotta hit all the yellows and all the blues, the reds, the yellows. Oh, terrible. See, I'm not very good at this game. Might be good for the kids though. And then you got a bunch of other games on there. And here we got your apps. So got the YouTube, got your YouTube app. You can just, you want to watch some YouTube.
At least not straight out of the box. But you can download an app directly.
You don't even need to open your phone. You can just watch it on this small little screen.
The first page.
If you want to go back, you just press back. And then, well, then you got your WhatsApp. So if you want to message your friends, you want to chat, you can send little messages. You got your keyboard. And what else have we got? You got Netflix. If you want to watch Netflix, you know, you can just watch whatever you want. There's a movie on here. You can just start watching. Works fine. Small screen, but you know, if you want to watch it on a small screen, why not? And then, of course, there's plenty of other apps on here. You got your Google Maps, and these are just shortcuts for me. A couple of apps. But if you want to view all your apps, you do have this Good Luck launcher, which you have to download separately. This allows you to view or add all your apps on here. So your browser, your chess, your, you know, whatever games you've got, whatever apps you've got, Facebook, everything, you can just view all of them on this small screen. Now, another thing I like about this phone that I think is really cool is I'll use YouTube for this one. Where is it? YouTube. Let's do that one again. So let's say we're watching a YouTube video, right? Yeah. So here it is. We're watching it on a small screen. Now you can open it, and now, as you can see, we've got the video on the top screen, and we got the, you know, we've got the controls like the navigation and stuff like that, you know, like the length. You can change all that on the bottom screen. You can turn the video off, and let's say we want to scroll. Rather than doing it this way, which there's no harm in doing it this way, you can use a touchpad. So like it's like a touchpad on like a mouse basically. So, you know, you can just, yeah, use a touchpad and then press play. I know it's a bit lazy, you can just touch it, but it's whichever one you prefer really. So yeah, it's a nice little touch. I like that. And obviously you can make it full screen as well. Why not? So I don't know what this video is, I'm just using it as a demo. So yeah. So yeah, there we go. There's plenty of features in this phone. Plenty of features. There's lots of cool things you can do. It also has a, obviously, camera at the back. So let's just turn the camera on again. You know, you could use the back camera to take photos, and you know, if you wave, you can use the motion control, there you go. So it's another way of taking a photo. If you want a group photo, things like that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I personally love this phone. I'm loving it right now. I think it's very nice, very cool to hold, and just the features alone are quite cool. It's different. It's not like your most common phone, and it's light as well. It's not heavy at all. You know, one of the reasons I got rid of the Ultra is, well, the Samsung Galaxy 21 Ultra, is because it's too big. You know, the Note phones, most phones are just too big now, and when you go to the gym and you're jogging, you know, it weighs you down a little bit. Something like this is very compact and small. It's almost like you've not even got a phone in your pocket, but it's great, and you don't even need to open it to use it. And that's one thing I love. You can just use the front screen. You can unlock it so easy. Another thing I didn't mention is you got the Samsung Pay, which is obviously contactless payment. Well, to use that, all you got to do is just swipe up, and there you go. You got your Samsung Pay. So you can even use that to pay. It's very small. It's just like, you know what, it's very convenient, and I strongly recommend it for anyone that's looking for a new phone. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, leave a like, subscribe, let me know what you think. If you've got the phone yourself, what you think of it so far. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching.